On the balcony.
Okay.
Nice jump. He jumped out and threw himself away in this dumpster.
Wow, I didn't lag jumping out of the plane.
Huh.
I hate this game.
I'm returning it to Blockbuster after I'm done.
Did Blockbuster rank games?
You are such a young person.
I'm old enough to be alive during Blockbuster, but I didn't go to Blockbuster. I went to the movie station.
The movie session.
2 grenades.
Remember Pokemon Snap? You go in Pokemon into the Blockbuster and you bring your Pokemon
grenades.
Snap cartridge, and they had a big old like a kiosk that you could put your cartridge in, and you could print off pictures you'd taken
For free?
in Pokemon. Probably not, but I didn't have money back then, so like I think like I was like a parent paying for it kind of thing.
Where was your money?
Well, I'm pretty sure I was.
You were like 30, right?
I was. How old do you think I am?
60. What are you shooting?
45 and 7.62. Sorry, I just had an aneurysm there. The sound of you running as you ran past me, like went from like one ear to the other in a really weird way. So for a moment I thought I was completely surrounded.
Shit!
Fuck! They're everywhere!
I have some
hey, but for real though, we are surrounded.
Like really?
Towards the car. They are real close, dude.
Where?
There's one down.
Where?
Like right outside the window you went into, dude.
Oh. Hi. Got him. Car?
Nice! I love it. In real life, if I ever hear like a sound, I want to like triangulate its location. What I do is I quickly whip my head around a couple different directions to be able to like tell what ear it's coming out of. So actually, this game's very realistic. You ever see me just whipping my head back and forth? Yes, I'm doing sonar stuff.
Or trying to give yourself whiplash, one or the other.
I'm trying to sever my own spinal column.
Shane, stop trying to kill yourself. It's not worth it.
Is he trying to kill himself, or is he trying to triangulate the location of a sound? Oh yeah, I see somebody way the fuck out. He's running into the circle.
Yeah, they gotta come towards us.
I kind of want to
Lagging again?
Yeah, I'm getting close.
Of course you do. I can't help it. It sounds like an SKS that I want.
Bring it to me.
He's also behind us.
Knock the first one. I'm hurt. There it is.
Bitches. Well, it definitely saved that other group's life. Would that guy have anything?
I don't know, I'm still gonna try and kill this guy. He's still coming.
Hit him. I think that is a yes. Did you kill him?
Yeah,
Yep.
he's very dead.
Nice.
He's like, I'm not giving up on the mission.
Well, we know there's people back there.
There may be people behind us.
Actually, no, it sounds like 2 people's.
Yeah, that's 2 different groups. Guy on a bike and they were shooting at him.
No, it sounded like a bike and then 2 groups started shooting. Or one group started shooting, then another group started shooting.
Started shooting at him.
Shooting. Yeah, you see him?
I see that they see me. Oh yeah, no I do. Chunky salsa.
There's 6. Alright, I see him. Moving in, 150.
Nice.
Got him.
I don't know, we're having some, like, can anyone hear me?
I can.
Okay, I don't know what's happened to Jacob.
Do you want me to send him a message?
No, he won't be able to read it anyways. We're in the midst of some shit right now.
Oh.
By that rock. He's gonna be out of the circle now. Dead. We be rolling.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you now. There are 2
What the-
running in.
My connection took a dump.
There are 2 running. They're probably
I think
across.
there's some to the north somewhere up the hill.
Okay, I got eyes on 2 right over there.
I'm just trying to watch your ass. Shoot at them all day long if you want to.
Knocked.
Okay.
So someone else is shooting at him too.
To the left.
Yup.
To the west.
Hit him too. I've hit both of them now. He's trying to pick up his friend. The circle is now on them. Dead.
They might try to come for you. There's smoke.
He's gonna get play zoned.
I see somebody. Saw somebody briefly. Damn, beside us!
That's the fucker I've been fighting. I killed his friend. He's vengeful now.
Okay, he's running to left, right.
Oh shit!
I knocked him.
His friend's further
I
up
gotta
the
heal.
hill. This is the
Yeah, I got a heal. Somebody behind me might try to kill me. Grenade. Yep, got me.
Damn.
Okay, he's running down. He's running down. I'm gonna crawl, maybe into a bush if you can get me. Oh shit! To the right, left, right, whatever. He's behind a tree. The white tree. Taking shots at me.
Oh, I got shot in the face.